Okay, so guys, to make a restore point on Windows 11, what you can do is go to search, then type here restore point. Whenever you type restore, then you'll see an option which is called create a restore point. Click on that. When you click on that, then you have to select the Windows C drive because we want to make a restore point of the Windows. So we will just click on configure. We can just click on turn on system protection, then apply. Then as you guys can see, the system protection is on. So right now we can create the restore point for Windows C drive. We'll just click on create, and this is the point where everything is okay. So I'll just type everything is okay and create it. Now what it will do is create a restore point for my Windows C drive. So whenever something bad happens or whenever I want to undo any type of system changes, I can just restore to this restore point. Guys, it is very helpful if you guys install softwares on regular basis and you just install some kind of libraries or you keep updating your Windows. Sometimes things just get bad, so whenever you need to revert back, you should have a restore point for it. So yeah guys, this is how you can just create a restore point on Windows 11. I hope you guys understood.